Hi, YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing another GB original meal. We're taking a different take on pasta, so I'm using zucchini squash noodles that I made. You can either make them or buy them. It's easy to do. They have like attachments to your food processor, so you can make your vegetables into noodles. So we're gonna make a pasta today using only zucchini and squash, and we're gonna use wild caught shrimp. I haven't peeled it yet, but I'm gonna peel the shrimp. I mean, you can cook it with the shell on, but I'm gonna peel the shrimp. I've diced my onions. I have some mushrooms. We're gonna cook with a little bit of minced garlic, which I have in the refrigerator. And it's gonna be super easy, super quick. It should be a pretty healthy meal because you have your seafood, but your noodles are not pasta noodles, they're actually vegetable noodles. And so I'm gonna walk you through the steps, and then I'm gonna speed up everything. You'll watch me do it. We'll plate it, and then we'll taste it to see what it tastes like. But the first step that we're gonna do is, there's a few steps to the process. We need to cook our shrimp first, but you're not gonna cook them all the way. You're gonna cook them only about a minute on each side, just so you can sort of cook them, but not really cook them, because we're gonna put them back into our pasta mix that we have. And then you wanna do the same thing to your onions. We're gonna saute our onions and our mushrooms together with the garlic. We're gonna do that until they're soft. And that's probably gonna be like two to 3 minutes. And then we'll add our pasta sauce. And today I'm not making sauce just because I'm trying to do a quick meal for you, but I'm using a Classico 4 cheese. And then I'm probably gonna grate some cheese too, because I have cheese, some pepper jack, because I want it to be a little spicy. We're gonna use cayenne pepper. We're gonna use salt, virgin olive oil, and just regular black ground pepper. And so it'll be quick, easy. You'll see how I do it. Again, we're gonna start with the shrimp. You're gonna cook them 1 minute per side, just so they don't, so they cook a little bit, but we're gonna end up cooking them all the way in our pasta sauce. The last step, once we saute our onions and our mushrooms, we're gonna add our sauce. You wanna cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes with the onions and the mushrooms in there again. And then finally, the last step is we're gonna add our cooked shrimp back, and we're gonna add our zucchini noodles. You'll cook that for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. So then we'll plate after that. And all of that will be done together in one pan. So you're gonna be using that one pan over and over again. You don't have to clean the pan. What I want you to do is a little bit of olive oil. Oh, sorry. For the tablespoons of olive oil when you're cooking your shrimp, you want to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When you're cooking your onions and your mushrooms, you want to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then that's it. So we're going to get to it. We're going to start cooking, and, you know, follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, friends, the pasta turned out well. I love it. It looks like pasta. And because, you know, I cooked it not too long, the zucchini is actually has texture. It's not too soggy. So that's what I like. If you want the noodles to be more noodle-ish, you can cook it for a few more minutes. But to me, I like my noodles more like vegetables. Remember the shrimp to add in at the last minute. because you don't want to overcook your shrimp. And the shrimp, we seasoned them before. And remember, we're cooking everything on top of the shrimp base. So we started with the shrimp cook. But it turned out well. All in all, I think this meal was a hit. Again, this is one of my home creations. I will put the ingredients, the exact ingredients below. But super easy, super simple. I think your family will like it. It's healthy, heart healthy. I'm trying to be better. You know, you can only be better when you do better. So we're trying to do better. And with that, please hit that like button for the algorithm. Please hit the notification bell so you can see when my next videos come out. And also, please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have meals that you want me to cook, or if you have other things that you think that I should be trying, let me know. We're gonna continue to keep rocking with this journey. I love cooking. I love cooking different things. I'm actually gonna cook some exotic things for you coming up soon. But anyway, this is your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe and like below. And I'll catch you next time.
Subscribe right below.